Hi guys, I'm Annabelle Knight and right now you're watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel, the place where we talk about sex and sex toys so that when you shop at the Lovehoney website, you know what the heck you're doing. In this week's video, we are going to be talking all about temperature play. But before we do, I've just got to remind you that if you never want to miss another one of our videos, you're gonna need to click that subscribe button. So first things first, what is temperature play? Well, it is the heating up or cooling down of different parts of your body or different toys for sexual arousement, enjoyment, and pleasure. Now, there is a very safe and secure way to engage with temperature play, and it doth not involve a kettle. So keep boiling water away from you and make sure you test the temperature of your toys on your arm before you insert them or use them on any sensitive areas. So I have collected and collated my favorite temperature responsive toys so that you can add an extra dimension of pleasure to your temperature play. Now, first up, we have the Lovehoney beaded glass dildo set. You get 2 toys in this set and they're both beautifully crafted from borosilicate glass, which means it's shatterproof, so it's really safe to use and perfect for insertion. Now, the first one is a lovely S shape with a beaded shaft at one end and 2 tapered tips. And the second one has a slight curve, so great for G or P spot stimulation. And we've got these lovely little raised bumps running along one side. Now, the reason why glass toys are so good for temperature play is because they're completely safe to heat up. So run your tap, pop some warm or hot water into a bowl and then leave the dildos inside. When they've been in for a few minutes or so, they should have reached temperature. Take them out, then test them. Always test on your arm just to make sure that it's safe to use intimately. The other great thing about toys like this is they're actually dishwasher safe. So when it comes to cleaning, you can pop them in your dishwasher and they'll come out squeaky clean and hygienic and perfect for the next time you want to use them. The next toy I want to tell you about is the Enjoy Pure Wand stainless steel dildo. Now, this is curved for G or P spot stimulation and it's suitable for vaginal and anal penetration, so it's great for everyone. Steel toys are absolutely fantastic because they respond to a change in temperature very quickly and they keep their heat as well for a really long time. So if longevity is something you're looking for, a steel toy could be the one for you. Now, this is beautiful. It has 2 bulbous ends, one thicker than the other. It measures 8 inches in overall length and has a maximum circumference of 5.5 inches, plus it's really quite heavy for extra special weighty sensations. Now, because it's made from stainless steel, it's also perfectly fine to use any type of lubricant that you like with it. Now, I've kind of saved the best temperature play toys for last because these are the colour changing toys. They're not temperature changing toys in the same way that the glass and the steel toys are, but they do change colour when they get hot or warm. So these are the colour changing cock rings. There's 3 in the set. We've got the smaller one, a medium one and the larger one, which I am going to demonstrate with. And they're lovely and soft. They're made from a premium silicone and they're nice and stretchy. So they'll offer a gentle constriction to the penis. Now, all you need to do is either pop them in some warm water or let the heat of your body change their colour. But I'm using hot water in my penis mug. And there you can see they change from blue to purple and I absolutely love that feature. It's so fun. And finally, for your colour changing pleasure, I have the Lovehoney colour changing 7-inch dildo. It measures 6.5 inches in insertable length and 4.75 inches around its widest point. So it's really suitable for beginners, intermediates and those who are pro with sex toys. It has a flared base which also acts as a suction cup. So you can use this toy totally hands-free if you want to. Oh my god, that's a strong suction cup. And you don't have to worry about it slipping off a smooth surface because, as you just saw, it's got a very strong suction cup base. It also has a fabulously curved shaft, which is perfect for G or P spot stimulation. And to top it off, it changes colour when it is warm. So Let's see what colour this one changes into. Just going to hold it in for a few seconds so it's got plenty of time to change colour before I remove it and reveal. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, I like it. It's pink. Look how pretty that is. So once this has been inserted, it will start to change colour as it warms to your body temperature, which is a fantastic feature. Now do make sure you're using the right type of lubricant with this, a good quality water-based lube or water-based anal lube if you're using it for anal play. And do make sure you give it a good clean with some sex toy cleaner after each and every use. So there you have it. That is temperature play in a nutshell. Thank you so much for watching. If you've got any tips or tricks about temperature play and you want to share them, please do so in the comments box below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If you never want to miss another one, hit that subscribe button. For notifications, click the bell. And if you just can't wait till next week for another video, there's another one coming up right now. I've been Annabelle Knight and you've been watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel. Bye.